Hi and welcome back. In this episode we will make a wonderful pork belly with a special salad. We start packing our gear, which is starting to get heavy to carry outside on foot, but still we do what we love. We head out into the mountains and see if we can find anything interesting. We want to see how spring changes nature, so stick with us on our journey, because you will see some amazing places. We will make a simple marinade which goes well with our pork belly. It's sweet and sour, perfect for a meat which has a high quantity of fat. We used pork belly, ginger, garlic powder, honey, soy sauce, and ground pepper. We will marinate this meat and we let it slowly cook to render some fat. We used the worst tray we got because the fire will ruin it anyway. We lay the meat in the tray and we grate some ginger. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. Ginger gives a spicy, fresh taste to our belly. We add the soy sauce, the garlic powder. We used garlic powder, but you can use fresh garlic too. Ground pepper and the honey. We rub the meat with the marinade on all sides. The best tool to rub the marinade is your hand. Last we add some water. Now comes our favorite part, preparing the fire. We couldn't wait to make a fire, because it's still quite cold during the day. It is a challenge to find dry wood. There is still a lot of humidity on the ground from the snow that melted. We stay a bit around the fire to warm up. We will cook this meat for at least 2 hours. We will add water from time to time to be sure that it covers the meat and it doesn't burn. While the belly was cooking, we went on a short hike in the nearby forests. The temperatures are rising slowly, so in a week or two we will start to find some mushrooms and other amazing ingredients that we will use in our future recipes. Our meat is cooking for quite some time, so we start preparing our salad. For this salad we used greens, baby spinach, strawberries, ground pepper, balsamic vinegar, honey, green onions, olive oil, and aged goat cheese. Don't worry, we washed our vegetables and fruits with clean water. So let's get to it. Our base for the salad is done. We just need one more ingredient to finish it. In a hot pan, we add the strawberries, followed by the honey. We sear them for a minute. Strawberries are a great choice because they give a nice sweet flavor to our salad, especially if it's infused with honey. We don't want to cook them fully. We just sear them for a minute to incorporate the honey. And we add them to the salad. This is how it looks like. It is an amazing and rich salad which bursts of flavor. Our belly is jiggling, so we know that it's done. We top it a notch. We'll add some aged goat cheese on the grill. To be sure that the cheese doesn't melt off the grill, we cover it in breadcrumbs. It will keep everything together. We grill them until they are golden and crisp on the outside. Meanwhile, our pork belly is done. We just finish it on the grill with the sauce that's in the tray. The sauce is nicely caramelized on the belly. We grill it while adding the sauce on top. When done, we usually slice it up and pour the juices on top. This salad is a good choice for this belly because it's sweet and sour and goes well with fatty meat. You can dice up the grilled goat cheese and mix it with a salad. The salad with the cheese is amazing on its own, but we always choose to cook some meat with our vegetables. If you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time.